Hey everybody, Gavin Shnieder here at SmartPad Property Management. And today I wanted to show you what kind of reporting you receive when you have a property that's being managed by SmartPad. I know that actually seeing things, right, photos are worth quite a bit more than just talking about it. So if you have a property that's being managed by us, you just go to the website, smartpadmanagement.com, click on the Owners tab, and then you're going to click on the Owners Portal. And what that's going to do is open up the landlord's portal. So in here, if you have one or multiple properties, you're going to find all of the necessary documents for reporting purposes, taxes, your cash flow statements, all those kind of things are going to be in here. So I'm going to show you around just a little bit here. So on this first page is your statement page. You'll get a statement at the about 7th to 10th of the month or so after we process the rent payments. And in that statement, it's going to show you how much money came in, how much money went out, and how much money is left. And if there's any bills, those are also going to be attached. So for example, for Mr. John Rodriguez here, his March 2018 packet has an owner packet, but then he also had a bill, an invoice for Crow Contracting, and we'll see what that amount is. I'm not going to pull up that bill, but we'll see what that amount is in his owner packet. So let's open up that real quick. Gives you a quick download. Open that puppy up, and here we have John's owner statement for the month of March. So it shows his property here, and then it shows that he had a starting balance of $650, which is the amount that we're holding in his operating account for him for maintenance. He had a bill for $145 and change for some kitchen sink work. Then his tenants paid the rent. Right, they had 3 separate payments. One of them is for the insurance. All of our tenants pay for liability insurance for our landlords. Then the actual base rent amount of $19.50, and then tenants also have a $30 pet rent. From that, then, he had a $149 charge for his property management, $9.50 for the insurance, so the tenant's paying the insurance, and then his owner distribution of $16.85 and change leaves him with an end-of-month balance of $650, which, of course, was the original balance that we had in there. And for his property, his required reserve is $650, so everything checks out. So that's what a monthly owner statement looks like. There are other kinds of reports, that you can receive as well. So when I go to the documents section, which you'll have in your account as well, at the end of the year, right, rather in January, I guess in the beginning of the year, you'll receive all the necessary documents for filing your taxes. So you're going to need an income statement, a cash flow, as well as a 1099, so you don't have to have an accountant draft that stuff up for you. We're going to do it in January to make your life a little bit easier. In the document section, you're also going to have a copy of the tenant's lease, your property management agreement. All those kind of documents are going to be in there. You can also make contributions in your owner portal. So say, we're working on a project together, you want a roof replaced, or, we're buying new appliances or whatever it is, you can send us money through the owner portal, or you can just do it the old-fashioned way and send a check in the mail. So that's a quick video about what kind of reports you receive and what they look like. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and I'd be happy to demonstrate for you personally. Okay, have a good day.